Okay, let's go into the room. My room is way towards the end of this hallway. I am in room 7307. Let's go inside and check it out. And then here's my evacuation plan that we met at the beginning of the cruise tour. It's just a typical type of a basic balcony style hotel room. In here, you got a queen size bed. And then here's my bed that I sleep during the entire cruise. And then in here is the view out to the open sea. It looks like we're going toward Victoria, British Columbia, Canada. In here you got a desk lamp. And here you got a electrical phone charging station and 2 universal outlets. And in here you got a little refrigerator, and there's Cokes, Sprite, and wine, which you need to pay to use those. And there's some leftover bread that came out from the Ocean View Cafe during the cruise tour. And you have a TV. TV, I'm not going to turn it on because of copyright claim. I do not want to get a copyright claim or strike. And in here, there's some closets. And in here, you got a safety box. Let's go ahead and try out the safety box. I really like the idea that the closet doors slow down and close. There's desk foam. I like the idea that the drawers slow down and close, so it won't make any disturbing banging noises. Slow down and close. And here's the AC control unit. You can also control the light contrast throughout the entire room. And this is a very excellent approach for hotel room, for traditional hotel room. Now we'll go look at the bathroom. Hi, and here's your bathroom sink. And a commode. Let's go ahead and do the flush test. 1, 2, And here's your hair dryer and some towels. Here's some extra toilet paper and tissues. And then here's the shower. And here is this knob is to control the water temperatures, and the numbers in there are in degrees Celsius, and they start from like 21 degrees Celsius. In foreign countries, they call it centigrade. And here's the main control of the water, where you can control the speed of the water. Counterclockwise for on, clockwise for off. I'm not going to bother messing around with the water because that one might go off and I might get wet. So I'm not going to do the shower test this time. But in here you have a soap, the shower, which is the shower gel, and you have a shampoo and conditioner. So what do you think about this hotel tour? Isn't it nice? Well, I guess that will be it for this hotel tour, room tour. So I guess will be it. Bye.